In breaking news, there is a possibility that TikTok could get banned in the United States.
Alright, I'm just banning it. I'm banning anybody that does that shit.
Some say it could be hit or miss. What I didn't know is that there are recipes on TikTok, and today I'm going to be making one of them. And then I'm going to be raising it to the gold shoe standard.
Oh my god!
I'm your host, Liquid Lord, and this is Chef Tango, and I would like to welcome you to Recipes of Redemption. And before we begin, I'm going to heat up some tater tots in my Ninja Foodie 5-in-1.
Ralph, did you eat my tater tots? Ralph. Oh.
Now that the Ninja Foodie 5-in-1 is warmed up, we're going to cook the tater tots for about 15 minutes while we prepare our TikTok breakfast sandwich.
Is this some kind of setup or something?
We begin this recipe with 3 large eggs, followed by a couple tablespoons of light creamer, also known as white stuff.
There he is, beating that dead horse. Get him!
After we give this a good whisk, it's time to preheat a non-stick pan on medium heat and add a pat of butter.
I don't have time to melt fucking butter. I'm in a hurry. I'm a gamer.
And now that the butter is melted, it's time to add our eggs.
Now, here's where things really, not in a bad way, but in a very good way, start to get really interesting.
Next, we're going to add 2 slices of bread to our eggs, and make sure you get both sides.
A few moments later.
And now that the eggs are fully cooked, it's time to give them a flip.
What?
Next, I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. I'm also going to add some sharp cheddar cheese. However, we're going to bring this sandwich up to the gold shoe standard by adding a few slices of honey ham.
But I'm not done yet.
Because I'm also going to add a couple slices of tomato.
I'll have you know, I am no ordinary tomato!
As much as I love the tomato in this sandwich, it definitely added some problems when folding the TikTok breakfast sandwich.
So let's recap this situation. I did nothing wrong, okay?
Now that I've grilled this side of the sandwich for a couple of minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a flip.
2 very boring minutes later.
And now that the tater tots are finally done, and we just finished making our TikTok breakfast sandwich, we now have the perfect breakfast for hitting the dab like Wiz Khalifa.
Can I get an amen for the cookie? Hey! Thank you.
And after I add some ketchup, there's only one thing left to do.
Sheriff's office, down! Get down!
No!
Hands on your back, Put your hands on your back.
Ouch! Another blow to Lord, as is tradition. And now it's time for my favorite part of the video, trying the recipes.
Oh, you're gonna get salt. And even now, again, my mouth overpowered with salt.
And this has been Liquid Lord and Chef Tango with Recipes of Redemption. And I hope you all enjoyed my TikTok breakfast sandwich. If you like what you saw today, please consider subscribing. I would also like to thank everyone that supported the arts. And remember, don't forget to delete your archives. Bye, sweethearts!